I'll be showing you the top server-side Facebook pixel tracking apps for your Shopify store. For each of these apps, we've taken a look at their features, pricing, and reviews, so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. The first app we'll take a look at is called Facebook Pixel-TikTok Pixel. So it's going to allow you to easily add multiple pixels, but it's also going to integrate server-side event tracking, which helps bypass the iOS 14 Plus update and ad blocks that make it hard to track purchases correctly. You also gain full control over conversion events from page view to purchase, and it allows you to harness the power of advanced matching techniques to boost event quality. In terms of pricing, it's free to install for one Facebook browser pixel, but to get these server-side events, which you do get unlimited of, it's going to start at $6.99 going up to $19.99 depending on your Shopify plan and if you want multiple Facebook or Meta pixels tracked. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with over 540 5-star reviews. Merchants highly recommend this app for its effective tracking of ad performance on Facebook and TikTok, which is exactly what you're looking for in an app like this. Merchants appreciate its seamless integration, user-friendly interface, and features like multiple pixel additions, server-side tracking, and custom event handling. Next up, we have Elevar conversion tracking, so you can never miss a conversion and improve your ad ROAS and lower your CPMs. It can support those server-side integrations with Facebook's CAPI. It's also going to support Google Ads, GA4, TikTok, Klaviyo, Pinterest, and more. So you can gain complete control over your data layer and tracking of customer data for Google Analytics and your marketing tags, so you can earn more ROI for every ad dollar. And Elevar guarantees that your conversions are tracked accurately, and when every dollar is based on accurate conversion data, there's a higher payoff for you. It also lets you identify returning users without relying on cookies, and it's built for direct-to-consumer brands with 40 plus of the most desired destinations to connect with Elevar, so you never miss tracking a conversion. In terms of pricing, it's going to depend on how much order volume your store does, and paid plans start at $150 going to $750 with additional charges for additional orders. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.4 stars with 100 plus 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at the AI summary, merchants highly recommend this app for its effective conversion tracking and data accuracy, especially with Google Analytics 4 and Meta platforms. Its server-side tracking, as well as other features, are praised for enhancing data collection. Lastly, we have Tagfly Google Tag GTM tracking. So it's a simple Google Tag Manager script for powerful conversion tracking in Google Analytics 4, as well as Facebook and TikTok. And it does have those server-side tracking to capture accurate data, combating iOS limitations. So you can get all the e-commerce events you need, including these special ones, with our complete server-side solution from Tagfly. So we can see here the server-side tracking. The user goes to the browser, which is your website. Then Tagfly is also going to send that to server-side events to give you additional tracking. You can skip the tag setup and quickly start your tracking using this app, and it has high event match quality on Facebook. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 35 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at this latest 5-star review here, this merchant said they did a ton of research attempting to do Google Tag Manager themselves, but they found this app and downloaded it, and the amount of time and work this app had saved them is tremendous. If you've made any money on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, along with many different details, analytics, and metrics, so you can truly understand your store's performance, letting you make smarter business decisions. It features a fully customizable dashboard, and it's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok. It links with multiple cost of goods sold providers. Make sure you check it out. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching for Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left. I'll also leave a link in the description where you can access the Shopify app listing directly, both of which get you access to that 15-day free trial. So this is going to conclude the video here on server-side Facebook pixel apps for your Shopify store. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.